Hey guys, just got back from Home Depot, picked up the new Subcompact. The kit is $34.94-22. It's $149 now, which includes the drill driver, the Subcompact impact driver, 2 batteries, and a bag. I actually had one ordered from Jersey Discount Tool only for $99 just for the Subcompact, because I wanted to check it out. I thought it would be perfect for one of my small bags I have in there. I ended up watching this morning Ray's maintenance. He had this deal. He just went and picked up this deal for $149. So thanks a lot for that, Ray. Saved me some money. I canceled the one from JDT. So we're going to check this one out. I'm going to show you some of the features on it. I was going to do the same thing Ray was going to do in his. I was going to put it in my new SPMC bag. But I'm not going to put the I don't need the belt clip on there, so I think it'll fit a little bit better. But we'll check it out. What I want to do is I want to compare it to my favorite drill, the Skil 12 volt. This thing is $39. I bought it for $39. I was just at Lowe's. They have them for $69, and you get another free tool with it. It comes with a battery also and a charger, so $35 a tool versus this one that's right now $75. So we're going to put them up together. I tell you, I'm going to weigh them. We're going to see what the difference is and see. I want to go down. I want to see what the give-up point is on some of these larger screws also. I don't think they're going to drive them, but I want to see how far each one will drive them. So let's get into that. Before I do that, show you what else I picked up there. They had this Tough Built 9-inch billet aluminum, very nice level. Normally $42, they had it for $21. So I would check that out. Now, I typically don't like the 9-inch. I'd rather have the 6-inch, but you know what? For $21, half off, this is a great deal they had there at the Lowe's. And then I picked up a new mechanical pencil, Klein pencil. I picked up the 15-in-1 precision screwdriver set. I have the 4-in-1. The handle is so small. I decided to check this one out. The handle's a little bit bigger. I looked at the 27-in-1. A lot of people have that. It was like twice as much as this. I think this one was $15. I don't know. The other one was $24 or $29. I don't remember. It was enough where because I know all probably going to need is the Phillips and the flathead small. So I'm going to check this out. Maybe I'll show you that a little bit later. What else I got in there? Oh yeah, I got old Papaw's tape measure, the old Skil, the old Stanley. But you know what? This is a 12 foot, and I just like the size of it. Sometimes you don't need a big 1-inch wide blade. You just need this blade, and I just like the size of this. So that's it. That's what I picked up today. Let's open this box, and I'll show you what's in it. So this is how it comes right out of the box. Take a look at it here. You got your manuals. You got, oh man, thank God I got another 12 volt charger. Let's see, I got two 2-amp hour batteries. I got the drill driver. In fact, I didn't have this drill driver. And I got the little Subcompact got the Subcompact driver here, so let's check it out. I'm gonna go I got some batteries that are already charged. I'm gonna put a 2-amp hour battery on that Skil. I'm gonna put a 2-amp hour battery on this, and we're gonna check them out, and I'll show you some of the features of it here in a little bit. Hang on one second. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is take off this clip here because I don't really need that clip. I don't ever put clips on my tools because mainly I work out of a bag when I'm working. I just put it right back in there. Okay, clip off. Let's see. 4 bars. Wow. A little bit of difference here. You can see this thing is tiny compared to the Skil. And I thought the Skil was small. There is some differences. This one's just got a variable speed trigger. Feels like a good trigger though. No modes at all. got a variable speed trigger, forward and reverse. That's it. Your battery indicator's up here, and let's see. Got some bits here. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's not a fast insert. Okay, you just pull it out, pull it in. So I think it's just like I think the Skil. Yeah, the Skil you just push in. So not a big deal, but you know. But look at that. I'm gonna weigh these, but check that out. That's unbelievable. I didn't know it was going to be that small. I mean, when you put it up to your hand, look at that. I can't wait to see how this fits in that new SPMC. This one has got 4 modes on it. It's got a battery that you can charge devices. Now, I don't think the other battery that came with it is on the charger. This is just one I bought. But it's got a battery indicator. But I don't think this is the battery that charges. You have to have the special battery, and I've got that back there. But it does charge devices, 4 modes. It's got a switch on here for a light where you can leave the light on if you want to. It's got the ring light, or you can just have it where it comes on when you activate the drill. Now this one, I don't think the light's near as good. It's just one light pointing up. But I tell you, for $39, or now $35 if you buy the kit, you get a lot of features on this little Skil. Now, it's going to be interesting to see how much power they have. How much power this one has over this one, or if it even is powerful. It sure is smaller. And they both have 2 amp hour batteries. I'm going to weigh them real quick, and let's see what it says. 1 pound, 11 ounces. 2 pound, 9.8 ounces. Almost 10 ounces. 2 pound, 10 ounces versus 1 pound, 11. I mean, this thing is almost a pound lighter than the Skil. So, I mean, it is very simple, but you know what? Sometimes that's all you need is simple. You don't have to have all those features that this has got. I mean, most of the time I keep this thing on either 1 if I'm doing very small screws, or 3 if I'm doing, you know, big screws, and it works fine. So, let me get out my wood. I've got some pressure treated 2x6s stacked 3 high, and we're going to see how these things operate. So hold on. Both of them. Well, this one's on speed. Better put it on speed 3. This one, of course, doesn't have speed. Just has a variable speed trigger. 3 2x6. 3 2x6 treated pine. Let's go first with the new Subcompact. First time this thing's ever been used. Skil. I couldn't tell too much of a difference. Go to the 6-inch. 6-inch strong drive. I'm gonna start out in that same little hole. I got another little hole back here I'll do this other one with. Wow. I didn't think it was going to make it, so I wasn't worried about it going through the table. Let's continue on with it. I had to move it so it didn't drill through my table. Wow, I am impressed. I am impressed. I mean, this is a 6-inch, 5.6 millimeter by 152. Wow, no problem at all. All right, I got another one here, this Skil. Go with that same look. See what it's got. That impressed me too. Wow, you know what? I gotta go get some bigger screws. I think I got something that they can't handle. I got this big 3/8 inch lag bolt. And must be 8-10 inches. So I have got a hole in here where these just put in this diameter. So I'm gonna use that as a pilot hole. And we're gonna go in with this. Let's see which one drives it the furthest. We'll start out with the Skil. I got 2 holes. Let's see what we got. Wow. I'm telling you, I am shocked at this little Skil. I am shocked. This thing did it with a small little pilot hole. Let me take this one out first. Size pilot hole. See what this one's got. Stalled out on me. So it looks like the ridge has got a little bit more power than this one when it comes to these long lags. But I mean, it's asking a lot for something that weighs as less as it does and as small as it is. I don't want to burn the thing up, to be honest with you. So, but you know what? It's got enough power to do what I need to do. I mean, I think these two are all you need as a homeowner, unless you're building a deck, you're doing something like that where you're going to be doing repetitive drills. I tell you, I'm going to be grabbing for this thing a lot, just like I do right now, the Skil. So that's it. I got a mess down here to clean up, and we'll see you next week.